Hello friends, how are you? My name is Anil and you are watching my YouTube channel Easy Software. Friends, today in this video I am going to teach you how you can create an attractive website in Python using Flask. I am going to explain how you can create a live project in Python using Flask, and the project name is Project Reporting System. You can get the complete code of this project in the upcoming video series one by one. Today in this particular video I am going to teach you how you can create an attractive home page for this project. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel, because I will give you the code of many projects and on many languages like C, C++, Java, .NET, PHP, Android and many more. So if you want to create this project in your system, then you first need to install a software named PyCharm IDE. Friends, here I am using PyCharm IDE for Python code. So to install PyCharm in your system, open any browser and type PyCharm download and press enter. After this, click on first link and here you will get a screen like this. Here you have to click on this black download button. When you will click on this black download button, you will get an exe of this software PyCharm. Okay, after downloading, visit or open download folder, and in download folder you will get an icon like this, and from here you can install this into your system. And now I am going to tell you the next step. After installation of PyCharm IDE, just open PyCharm, and here is the first step to create a project name. So go to file, click new project, and after that we will get a screen like this, and here we have to click on this icon, and here we can choose the directory in which we want to create a project. In my case it is E drive. Press OK, and after a drive name we can type our project name. I am just going to type Flask project. This is my project name, and after that we will click on create. I have already created this project, so you can see here the project name is Flask project. After creating project name, right click on project name, new, and click on directory and put the directory name static. Static directory is the directory in which we will store all the CSS file and images. Okay, again right click on project name, new, and directory, and here the directory name is templates. This is the directory in which we will store all the HTML files. Press OK. Then after creating these folders, or we can say that directory, right click on templates, right click new, and now we will create a HTML file for our home page and type a name for HTML file, and I will giving index.html. right? Okay, here is the code of index.html, and now I will copy my code, Control C, and I will paste it here. You can get this code from my website. I have just given this link in the description part. You can visit that URL for this code. Okay, now the next step is to create a image folder inside a static folder. So just right click on a static folder, new, and click on directory. Here give a name like image. Okay, now I am going to show you. Here you can see that there are 4 images are sliding, so I have to store 4 images inside this folder. Okay, so I will copy my 4 images and I will paste. Right click on image folder and paste. Okay, now we can say that image folder is inside a static folder and all the images are present in image folder. You can see that the image name is banner 1, banner 2, banner 3, banner 4, and all the images are of type JPG. Okay, after doing this all, we have to create a Python file to execute this code. So just right click on project name and new, and here Python file. Okay, here we have to type a name for our Python file. I am just giving app. Okay, and press enter. After this I will copy my code. You can get this code from my website, and my website link is given in description area, and you can visit that link from there. Okay, here I will paste this. Okay, the final step before running this project is you have to install Flask library inside this project. This is the main and very important part of this video, or we can say that this project. So to install this library, you have to click on file, setting, and here you have to select project interpreter. But suppose that you are not able to view project interpreter, then you can also search here project, and after that you will click here, and here you will get all the list of installed library in your project. Suppose that I have already installed Flask library, but suppose that you have not installed Flask library in your project, then how you can install it? So to install this, you will click on this icon like plus. Okay, and after this type, if you want to install Flask library, search Flask and click once on it, and then click this button install package, and after some seconds you will get a message like this: package Flask installed successfully. Now everything is done. Now I am going to run this project. Okay, so right click on this Python file and click run app, and here you will get an URL. Okay, just copy it and paste it into any browser. Okay, press enter. Now it's done. So if you have any doubt regarding this project or regarding this video, then just comment below this video. I will definitely fix it. If you want the complete code of this page, you can visit my website, and my website link is given in the description area. If you like this video, then please share it to your friends. Just if you are a new user in my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my channel so that you can get all the links of the upcoming video. Thank you so much.